Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is fine. So today we will talk about how to make a file password protected. Everyone knows about data stealing or somehow hacking. Our precious data is not safe and secure, which is our today's big problem. So in order to maintain our precious data security, we can make our data password protected. So no one can easily decrypt or steal our data. So without wasting our time, let's proceed this protection process on data. I will try to show in a simplest way. So first of all, I make a zip folder that will contain our data which was going to be password protected. So I will rename this file name as data. So I make this text file as a password protected. So I copy it and paste in that zip file. So when I paste in that zip file, a pop-up menu is open, and you can see here some details somehow like file and compression technique. So you have to going in advanced tab, and you can see here right box set password. Click on it, and here you enter your password. Like I make this password. Try to make the password strong and long so no one can decrypt your data. So whenever anyone try to steal your data, he needs a password that only knows you, so you can decrypt your data. So I enter somehow password, for example, re-enter password and OK. So I press OK. Now this file is password protected. You can see a small static put on it. This shows that this file is password protected. So I show you how this data protection is worked. Whenever anyone steal your data or try to open your informations, so let's see how it works. When I double click on it, so a pop-up menu show which requires that enter password for encrypted file channel-link.txt. I encrypt this file, so now he wants a password to show details. So as I know about password, so when I put my password on it, it decrypted data and showed to me. So what if I put the wrong password? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, and you can see that it cannot open this file. Our system shows some errors and shows some illegal access. So without knowing about password, you cannot access any data. In this way, you can send whenever you want to send your data from one place to another place, you must perform this encryption technique on that data. So during communication, if anyone else can steal or hack your data, he can never be open your informations because they can be encrypted form. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you are new at my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon so you can give latest alerts about my videos whenever I post on my YouTube. Thanks again.